Sup guys, Hot Noob here, and I'm going to be showing you guys a last resort technique to fixing LCD monitors. So plan A was to simply take the logic board or the controller board or the processing board, whatever name you want to give it, which would be this piece here, and switch it into another LCD monitor. So this LCD here is broken, so I was taking the risk to switch them out, and well, guess what? Both of the logic boards are fucked. So what I'm going to do now is plan B, which is attempt to actually fix the logic boards. Ugh. And this is going to be sketchy as fuck, but I got two of them, so plan B and then plan C will be probably to take out the soldering iron. I don't want to have to do that because it's a lot of work. And then of course plan D would be to buy another processing board. Yep. The board itself is probably maybe 50 to 100 bucks, and this would be to fix a, probably in my opinion, what would be worth at about $1,000 if you were to buy new, used, $600-700. So yeah, these things were $1,300 brand new. Got them for about 25 bucks each. So let's fix them. And right there, I got the oven preheating. So in the meantime, I'm gonna pause the video, take this one apart though, and so you guys can see what issue I'm going to be fixing in this one. Let's close this crap. Come on. Up. Fuck. There you go. You got the green lines. Awesome. So that's what we're going to be fixing by sticking the board in the oven at 385 degrees Fahrenheit for about 7 minutes. This is to sort of resolder the board and to remove any humidity, so moisture, that somehow managed to get into the wrong part of the chip. And yeah, a lot of people think that static electricity is the worst enemy of boards. Reality is, humidity is, for the most part. So, yep. Alright, we have the oven here preheated to 385 degrees Fahrenheit, just under 200 degrees Celsius. And timer is all set, ready to go. We have a oven mitt. As you can see, I put foil around here to keep heat from hitting the other components of the chip. So we're mainly trying to get it onto the processing chip here. And yeah. The chip here is rated for 220 degrees Celsius, so we're playing it a little bit safe by doing just below 200. And of course, for you newbies, shiny side on the outside, of course. And there goes the timer. Alright, I'll pause this and come back when it's done, I guess. Or whenever it blows up in my face. Yeah. If you do end up smelling stuff before the 7-minute mark, that's about when you want to turn it off, because it means that the solder has melted, and that's the goal here. Alright, I'm going to open it up. And take her out. Okay. I'm gonna leave it there to cool. The risk is that if you do move it, that the chip or the momentum, any sort of knocking or whatever may cause the chip to go out of place, and that's even worse because then you gotta reball it and shit. So just going to go ahead and let it cool like so. Yeah. Doesn't take too long to cool off here. And just in case you do want to avoid touching where the heat sinks are, because there's going to be that sort of thermal paste or thermal oil lurking about, so you can burn yourself. And then the heat sink. So. Okay, that's much better. There's some little pieces here that keep the board in. It's sort of hard to see. Right about there, you see the metal piece keeps it in. So, let's see. To get those ribbons in, just in case you guys don't know, they line up to that line like so. Oh, that is almost the hardest part. When you are taking apart this cable here, that one there, you'll recognize it when you get to it. It's very delicate. I might have broken it, which could be really the entire reason why there are green lines. So yeah, awesomeness. Put it back together. Yeah. Okay. Just need to make sure this is, yeah. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna put this in another hole because the screw stripped, or the hole stripped, I mean. So, shit. Alright, hopefully that stays. I guess it is sort of important. And let's get this turned on. And there you go. Green lines are gone, and we have a perfectly good fucking Super HD monitor. Fuck. Shit, I'm missing a part. But, yeah. Missing the stand there that I used. But fuck. It works. So baking does work. We'll see how long this lasts. Okay, that was a screw. Not to worry, but turn that off. Alright, this is Hot Noob here, and come check out my blog at Actually, I don't have my blog anymore, so just subscribe.